Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to change table border style and white in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to change the table border white. Firstly, insert a table. Go to the Insert menu. Then click the table option and insert a table. Then select the table, click and drag on our mouse. Then go to the table design menu and click the pen white drop down menu and choose 6pt. Then click the borders drop down menu and choose all border. Then click the outside of the table and we can see we change the border white very easily. You can change the border white again. Select the whole table and go back the pen white option and choose 2pt. Then again click borders drop down menu, choose all border. Now we can see we change the border white very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.